Hey everyone, we are back at the unit and we have some sales to pull. I do have something to clarify real quick. In the last video, I had mentioned that the battery, my calculations on how long the battery lasts was, what did I say, 70 something hours?
Like, 30 hours.
30 hours. It was. I was way off, okay?
Minutes.
No, minutes. So we've probably used this, you said probably about 30 minutes so far.
Yeah.
So somebody left a comment. My calculations were off. They were a lot more close to the actual calculations, like an hour and a half of time. And anybody who did leave a comment, I did try to respond saying I was way off. I did one of those online calculator things, and I just didn't like check my work. I was like, oh, okay, that's a great buy, right? And I didn't really check my work. So I apologize if it seemed a little disingenuous, but about hour and a half on the 6 to 8 lights that we use. So hopefully that clears it up.
Still pretty decent. Like
right.
Even for what we're doing, we wouldn't even have to charge it weekly. Obviously, this is the first What Sold we've done in probably a week.
Yeah.
And I just come daily to get my sales, which takes like 5-10 minutes.
Right. So it takes like 4 to 5 hours to charge. So we'll bring it home one night, charge it overnight, and just bring it back. It's not weeks at a time. It's maybe once a week, right? So
I still love it.
It's still nice in here. And we actually have the door closed today.
Kind of weird.
Yeah.
Yeah. I sold these ear.
Ear?
I can't talk. I sold these Earth Spirit gel round sandals, which we just picked up at Castle Rock last week when we went up there.
Nice.
I did average my cost of goods that day with all the shoes. They came out to $601 a piece, so that into $25.46 plus ship. I said these always sell fast. They literally sold fast.
Literally sold fast.
That's less than a week. Like those.
That is, yeah.
I feel like those are sold at Walmart, and I feel like they don't even cost that much.
Walmart can't even sell them that fast
anymore. Like I don't think they have them. That's why they sell so fast. I'm not sure if they're sold somewhere else. Please tell me.
Yeah.
They always sell so well. So this random thing.
Some handles,
Yep.
Faucet handles.
Tub handles. So these are from Binsmiths, or at least from the bins, maybe not Binsmiths, but paid $1.19 cost of goods that day into $8.46 plus shipping. So
Sweet.
Not huge, but yeah, like anything with the scan the barcode and just copy title and insert photos. I like that. Okay, DP. This is the Vineyard Vines pullover. Bought for $4.99, sold for $23 plus shipping on eBay.
Cool.
Yeah. AI. This has been listed a while. I thought it would sell a lot faster, but it didn't. The brand is, I don't know, Aaron Moore, ARAN. It's like the Aaron Crafts, the merino wool sweaters.
Oh yeah, so it's like.
But it's called Aaron Moore.
It's European. Like Norway, Ireland,
I think it's in Ireland.
Irish. Okay.
I don't know.
Okay.
So, anyways, yeah, I would definitely always pick these up at the bins. I saw one yesterday at the normal thrift, but they had it priced at $20, and I just checked comps, and they seem like they're only selling for like $30 these days. So, I was able to get $29 plus shipping. But yeah, I feel like I bought this when we did that challenge with Kristen, a rural squirrel, at the bins, and that was probably a year or more ago, right?
Yeah. It's been a while.
So I don't know. Yeah, $1.97 into $29. So it was a good flip, but it took a lot longer, and I thought I could get like 40 to 50, and I did not. So.
The things that I got from that trip sold.
Yeah.
Those really ugly boots, and I had that blanket that sold. So
those boots sold like one day too. I probably could have priced them for more. I was like, nobody's gonna want these. I was wrong. I can admit when I'm wrong.
She is dying on the inside right now.
I sold these little Crocs Mary Jane. These are like a girl's youth size. Bought for $8 at Once Upon a Child. Sold for $20 plus ship. So about doubling my money there.
Sweet.
Yep. BN. This was a Binsmiths find.
Should be way back in this corner.
some old high leather flip-flops. These are in very rough condition. Normally you can get like 50, sometimes even more for these. But because of the condition and they were bins fine, $1.21 into $22 plus shipping. So
Nice.
Okay, AM. Some Skechers, bought for $10.99, sold for $40 with discount shipping on Posh. Those sold in just a couple days. And lastly, See You. This was not the best sale.
Oh, right here.
I really want to spend some time and rearrange all these boxes.
Yeah, I know. This whole wall is kind of in a weird order, and we're kind of waiting on me finishing these sections of the shelf here that just kind of fit our walls at home. Once I do that, we'll have more space for even some more boxes. Are you okay with these up here, all the way up here?
I mean, I can barely have them. Are you talking about putting one more?
Like leaving them up there and then having more boxes over there? Because we could...
Yeah, these can stay. I thought you meant putting like another.
No. Like this being the tallest box.
That's fine. I'm now just trying to figure out like where... There's some stuff we still have at the house because I don't know where to put it, like a pot and a pan, some dishes, things like that. We need probably like a plastic shelf or something.
Right.
In the middle,
Just like an odds and ends kind of shelf.
I like the boxes on the top, and then we can even do a few more here if we can find somewhere to put those things.
Yeah.
I sold this O'Neill rash guard. I have 4 or 5 of these. This is the first to sell. I bought them for $10 each, retail arbitrage, and they've been taking a while, so I did accept a $20 offer, which is only about a $6 profit. That's okay.
That's
If
okay.
they all sell for a $6 profit, and I did one listing, that's what, $30. That's not bad.
Not bad at all.
Yeah.
You know, we do have a lot of space kind of up here. I wonder if we could figure out some kind of shelf that would kind of hover over.
Because, like, I know we
this
have
stuff.
shelves that we can put here, but then that would make what we're doing right now almost impossible.
Yeah.
So, we'll figure it out.
Kathy also mentioned maybe getting an area rug. What do you guys think about getting like an area rug for in here?
Feel a little more homey when we're here.
Hang some wall art or
Really
something.
work if we're trying to
I know.
put shelves in the
It's not
middle.
permanent either. So, yeah. I do have, since we have the lighting project done here, obviously I've got to do a little bit of the shelving still, but my next big project is the floor in the office. Now that was the biggest reason why we were getting everything here in the storage unit. That is so that we could refinish the floor upstairs. So that's going to entail like tearing out all the carpet and fixing. We have like kind of a dip in our floor, and I don't really know what that all entails until I crack it open. So that's going to be our next big project, and I'm going to get started on that. I'm going to probably start tearing into it at the end of this video. So we're going to have a little bit of, I guess not home renovation, but I'm not going to bring you along the whole process, but I'll let you guys know what's going on. Because as soon as we get the flooring up there, we're going to kind of get everything put back together up there. We might end up getting these boxes back in the office. We might not. I don't know. What are your thoughts on that? Now that you've had it,
reassemble these
I don't want to.
No,
but
I don't think it's worth it.
if it means it's more convenient, I would do it.
I don't. It's too much crap up there.
Yeah.
I don't want this much. I like it not up
You
there.
like it not up there?
I like it clear and orderly.
Yeah. Because you've been doing this now for a month, right?
Yeah. And I like it.
You like it? Okay. Okay. Good.
I'm
1
not
month
saying,
in.
like, I don't want it if we get the new house.
Right.
I don't think it's worth putting this back all
For
the
this
way
house we're in right
upstairs.
now.
All these boxes, you reassembling the shelves, and then me feeling overwhelmed by how much stuff is up there.
So we haven't like pre-rehearsed this or anything, but what if we don't get a house for another year? Would you still be?
Fine to come here?
You're still fine coming here for a whole other year?
Yeah, or the rest of my
I just
life.
needed to get this on video. No. Anyway, that's what sold today. So let's get back to the office. It might not be today, but it is going to be right after this. We're going to start pulling up the carpet, see what's going on in the floor. We've got the office upstairs pretty much ready to
Were
go.
you worried that like these shelves might have dipped in the floor?
No, because I intentionally kept them around the edge, which is kind of the more structural part. What I think is going on is I think there's a beam that spans our garage, and that's in the middle. So I don't think there's like normal floor joists in the middle there. And we did have a huge desk there for many years. So that might have played a role in kind of causing it to dip, but I don't know. Let's go crack open and see what's actually going on. All right, guys, so I'm back at the office. It is another day. Kathy is off at a Starbucks getting some work done because I've been up here and I've been getting into the floor up here in the office. As you can see, I've been taking carpet out. We are still trying to get as much work done as we can while I am doing this. But this is kind of the issue that I've discovered right here. You can kind of see there's 4 boards and they all kind of meet right here in the corner, and that's not really supposed to happen. They're kind of supposed to stagger all the joints, so you really only have 3 or 2 corners coming into a side usually. I don't know if it's an accident that they did that or what, but it seems like it's causing a little bit of a dip there. Now typically this is handled by either floating out like with some thin set or something to make the floor level, or what I think I'm gonna do is tear out. I'm gonna cut out some of these boards, put in some new boards so that there isn't 4 corners kind of meeting there. I really think that's a problem. And you can kind of, I do think there is a beam going right across here, and this is actually where a lot of the squeak is, right in this 4 corner area. But so I'm pretty sure the rafters on this side of this seam here go this way, and that's why the boards are laid across that way. And then this way, they're going more this way, and that's why the boards are laying across that way. So I'm not sure until I break it open and do all that, but then it means I'm gonna have to move the desk, which means I'm not gonna be able to edit a video. And that's why I'm here now kind of showing you guys what's going on, because this weekend is going to be fixing that, hopefully bringing the desk back, and then getting started on the floor from this wall out, and then the stairs, at least the top of the stairs there. And then I'll be able to get all of this room out here before I have to start in the closet and that section there. So obviously this is stuff that I would not have known until I started tearing into it. I was hoping I'd be able to show a little bit more right now in today's video, but before I cut it open, I do have to get today's video out. And so I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna edit the video, cut this open over the weekend, hopefully, fingers crossed, have the floor put back together by Monday so that we can get rolling again. So that is what I'm gonna get started working on. Before I head out, I did want to thank Denise. Denise did buy us 4 coffees. I'm gonna read this here. Denise said, "Thank you for your gracious and amazing support through videos and the spreadsheet for newcomers and established resellers. I really appreciate you both. Hope to see you someday at the bins." And Denise says she's from Boulder, Colorado, so a little bit more north. Hey, there's a good chance Kathy loves heading up to the bins up there. So hey, you never know. We might see you someday. Thank you so much for that support, Denise. But with that, guys, I think I'm gonna head out, get to work, and finally get this dip and squeaky spot in the floor fixed so that we can move on with the rest of the projects that we're gonna be working on. So guys, thank you so much for all of the amazing support. We do appreciate you very much, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Wish me luck.